Hello, Namaste traders. I'm Raksha from Nifty Analysis and welcome to Bhumi Parivar. Well, I am back with few more stocks for you to keep a tap on this week especially, and these are top 7 high velocity trades here, which as per our theory and as per our analysis are going to give some pretty good breakouts and pretty good targets for you guys. So just without wasting your time, let's start with first stock, that is Bharti Airtel. What I am looking for Bharti Airtel is a breakout from this range, and when this range of 589 to 590.40 and 590.50, this range, if it is broken, then I'll see a target of 593 as the first target and 595.75 as the second target in Bharti Airtel. Now, if in any case, if this price is rejected, it will go back to the support of 580 to 579. So this is something which can go two ways, but what I am looking for is a breakout upside for upside targets of 593 and 595.75. Coming to next stock, that is Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank here, I'm looking a bearish move in Kotak Bank. So I'm looking for a break of the support here, the support of 1327.50 to 1324, this range of support here. Once this range is broken, I'll look out for a target of 1313, and on a longer term, by end of this week, is 1296.50 in Kotak Bank. So these two are the targets for me. For intraday, you can say this is 1313, that is 1313, and by end of this week or within this week, I'll look out for a target of 1296.50 here. In any case, again, there is a rejection of the support level here, then we'll see a correction or a retracement back, a pullback till 1345 to 47 range. So there's one more scalping opportunity here on a quick and abrupt rejection of 1327.50 to 1324, this range. Within this range, if there is a very quick and sharp rejection, then we will see a short scalp of 1345 to 47. My opinion here is, and what I am looking for and what I'm expecting is a breakout downside for 1313. Now coming to the next stock, that is ACC. ACC is a very pretty, very most weighted stock for me, because it has, I was just waiting for this breakout since a long time, and my breakout, this angular line, which I have discussed in my earlier videos also. Well, in my angular line here, this it converges at 1353 as its resistance right now for a breakout. So I'll be looking for an entry above this line here, and my target will be 1363.35 to 1373 as initial targets here. Well, if you are doing the CNC things and if you are going for BTST trades, you can even look out for 1385 on 1 or 2 days time frame. But nearly I'm looking for these two targets, 1363.35 to 1373 as initial targets in ACC. There is an immediate support here, which is 1339.40, that is 1339.40. When this immediate support is broken, we can see a very quick scalp of 13 for target of 1328 to 26, very quick scalp here. What I'm looking for is a breakout, but I still, if this is again is rejected here, just like this twice and thrice here, if it has been rejected again, then I'll be looking for a short scalp opportunity below 1339 for a target of 1328 to 1326 in ACC. So now coming to the next is Havels. Havels is, I'm looking for a bullish breakout here of this high, which is converging at my angular line here. It comes out at 589 or 589.25 precisely, but just take few points above that, like 589.50 around here. So my target upside is 529, 595 to 594 as the first range of target. I'm really sorry for this. And second is 600. So these two are targets for Havels. And if this is rejected, again, I am prepared for rejection also for a very quick scalp of 581.50 to 582.50, but I will not be going for any short opportunity here. In fact, I'll be waiting for any pullback or any retest of this support level again. If this is retested and it'll bounce back here, then I might for aggressive traders or for those traders who are willing to take some risk and go for long from this range, keeping your SL few points below this line, below this range here, for a first target of this trend line which converges near about at 588, 87 to 89, these three range, and then second target is 595.9 to 594. But I will not suggest you to do that in such very volatile market, very uncertain market right now in Nifty. Anyways, I'm looking for a breakout for upside target because I'm very bullish for Nifty tomorrow, and I'm pretty sure that it's going to touch my most weighted target of 10,940 tomorrow for sure. And I might be looking for some gap up also in Nifty. So let's watch for that. Now coming to next is Power Grid. I'm bearish in Power Grid, waiting for a breakout of 168.25 or 168 as a support. I'll wait for this price to break down for a target of 165 to 163. Now there is one more interesting twist here is 168.80. I just write it down for you guys. 168.80. Just let me make this quite visible for you. 168.80 is immediate support in Power Grid. So if I see any kind of rejection at this price or a bounce back, because as I'm thinking that market is going to go greens tomorrow, so I will look for a target of 170 and 172 upside in the Power Grid. This is a downtrend. I will not suggest the new traders, especially the traders who are the beginners one, to do such kind of stunts here in trading. But in any case, if it breaks 170, then you can go for 172 as a target, keeping your SL few points below 170. But I am looking for both ways in Power Grid. So I am both bearish and bullish in, but mostly I am bearish for Power Grid here. Quite interesting one, this one. So we'll discuss this on Twitter also tomorrow about Power Grid, how it will be going. I'm ready for both both side of targets, and please be very careful, because when there are two sides of breakouts, like for a bearish and bullish, you have to be very particular about your stop losses. So keep your stop losses very tight. I don't want any one of you lose your money. So let's go for next set of target, that is Techem. Quite a rally in Techem today. It almost from 570 to 601. 600.05 is the price here, the CMP right now. Now what next is, I'm again looking for some more higher sides in Tech Mahindra. That might be possible, as the immediate support here is 593.90. Here around 593.90, 590. So it might be possible there might be some retest of this level, and then going back to its target of 605 to 607 range, and then 614 as the second target in Techem. But it's pretty much possible that if market is going to gap up tomorrow, we can see direct hit of this target first, 605, and then 614. So be very careful with these kinds of trades. If there is a gap up, just wait for some few stocks, a few candles, few minutes, to see if there is some kind of correction back in the market, and then rejection and going back just like this here. So just wait for this. The target for upside for Techem is 605 to 607 range as the first target range, and is also, it's a very pretty strong resistance here for Techem. And then 614.50 is the second target in Techem. Well, if you see a line here, this is a normal regular 10 line here, which I have drawn for a daily higher highs. So that converges on around 622. So if 614 is also met as a target of Techem, we can look for 620 to 622 range again here in Techem in coming days, in this week also. So bullish for Techem. Now next is, last but not least, is Wipro. Same as Techem here, I'm looking for a bullish target in Wipro. Breakout of my angular levels here, which converges around at 228 to 229 range. This range, when this angular line is broken, I'll look for a target of 232.20, which is also 2019 low, last year's low. So this will act as very strong resistance, guys. Be very careful at this price if you're long. And after this range is this price is broken, then we can see 237 on the higher side of Wipro. So these are the stocks here. How our earlier stocks behaved, I'll just get a quick recap of how the prices were. Well, we were bullish on Bajaj Auto. It's still above my trend line and still looking for 290. It already gave me the target, but still I'm looking for a target back to 2937, 2945 as the first target in Bajaj Auto. Well, coming to Dhanuka, it never broke my trend line here. So waiting for this back for a breakout here. Tomorrow might be possible, and if this goes, then we can see the level of 797 to 803 as bullish targets here. And DCM Shriram, it has given a breakout downside, waiting for the target to meet. And Coromandel is it's playing in between the range here about my breakout line and the support line here. Well, if I was checking that if this support is broken, then there is a very long term trading opportunity in about 600 rupees in by this month end, and by the end of this month, July, or first or second week of August, near about that. So we can see that on a longer side, but still it's going on in a range here. Let's see. Mostly it might break the resistance, the major resistance of 763, 764 tomorrow, for a target of 770 and 787 for a bullish side. So we're ready for both in Coromandel. And ABFRL, it's going down, going for the target of 117 as first target and 113 for the second target. If it goes back, then we have higher sides of 137 and 142. In NTPC, it already gave my first target. Today again it broke the first target of 90.40, and now next level which I might be looking for is 87.95 in NTPC. If there's a gap up, then no trade in NTPC as so far. Vedal, I'm still waiting for my breakout for a bullish side, so it is not yet triggered here. And Hindu Unilever, a beautiful trade, is already, it has gone far away from the targets which I've already mentioned as 2222. Well, tomorrow it might go more on a higher side. Let me check. It might be, okay, it is rejecting earlier pivots here, so I might be looking on a higher side at near about 2300 to 2310 as the targets here. So let's check for a few other stocks, that is ABB. There's no breakout till now, there's no breakout here, so there's no trade yet triggered in ABB. And in Bank India, it was already given the breakout, beautiful breakout here. Now targets are 46.45, 45.65, 46.45 being the first target here. So let's stick to this first target here. And then coming to Central Bank, is given the breakout, 16.70 as the target. Well, if Bank Nifty is going to, market is going to go up, it might go back to this trend line. So be very careful about Central Bank here. And then Sun TV, I'm still waiting for the breakout downside. And if this is rejected, just like it's been doing this since a long time, if it is rejected, then we might see some higher side till 400 in Sun TV. but still wait for the confirmation. And the Bhumi users, you have the tool with you that will give you which side you have to trade. Then Adani Power 33.70 was the first target, still going on that. And from 35 to 34.40 we had a very good set of profit here in 35 to 35.40. So here is all about all the quick recaps and the stocks which we are having in our list tomorrow. That is Bharti Airtel, Kotak Bank, ACC, Havels, Power Grid, Techem, and Wipro. Guys, trade very safe and be very safe. Keep your assets tight, keep your money safe here, and earn more and more profit as much as you can. And you can meet us, or you can contact us on info@niftyanalysis.in, or you can even join our webinar, guys. You'll get to know more and more things about, not even about our very beautiful indicator which we have created, that is Boomi 2.0, but also we share many of the tips and tricks, how to trade, how to pick stocks, and how to take profits, how to keep your risk minimum and profits maximum. So don't forget to visit niftyanalysis.in and register for our webinars also. It's absolutely free for everyone. Everyone is welcome to Nifty Analysis. Thank you so much. Good night. Take care. Bye bye.